These are the StarGuard Protect nitrile gloves. Lab work often involves the handling of both small fiddly items and harsh chemicals. StarGuard Protect provides you with both the protection and the tactile sensitivity and consistent grip needed for this type of lab work. It's a thicker, slightly longer glove that provides protection for your hand and wrist. StarGuard Protect is the perfect fit when your personal protection is crucial while performing delicate tasks. The material provides outstanding breakthrough times against a variety of harsh chemicals, such as acrylamide, ethidium bromide, glutyraldehyde, N-heptane, and many more. As well as excellent chemical splash protection, the gloves also offer protection against viruses. All StarGuard gloves are manufactured to the highest standards and are tested and certified according to the European Directive for Personal Protective Equipment. StarGuard Protect fits perfectly into our lineup of gloves. No matter your lab needs, we've got you covered. So, for reliable protection against day-to-day laboratory hazards, choose StarGuard Protect nitrile gloves.